Greetings everyone. Welcome to my first video on SSAS, SSAS cubes mainly. So in this particular video, I'll be taking you through how to create a project and the data sources. The rest of the details I'll be covering in the later videos, like creating a data source view, hierarchies, aggregations, or KPIs, or many other factors of SSAS cubes. So just to give you a introduction, why do we require SSAS cubes? There are several blogs which are available online, which gives you a lot more information on why we require SSAS cubes. But to state a few, uh, one of the biggest benefits, according to me, is the speed of aggregation and speed of processing and usage of the cube. Uh, the data is usually aggregated in SSAS cubes and stored in the form of aggregated metrics, and so it becomes very easy to use this, and it is usually fast. And there are other benefits, like you can easily store hierarchies. You can easily create hierarchies and store hierarchies in SSAS cubes when compared to your relational databases. And managing KPIs becomes easy in SSAS, and many more other, like multidimensional analysis, where you can slice and dice the data and drill down the data to get a lot more information, which is a lot more easier when compared to your relational databases and other systems. So there are many other benefits which you might find online through other blogs. Please browse through the blogs to get more information, and please let me know if you have some queries. I'll be very glad to help you out on that. So on creating the project, let's check how to create the project. So to create the project, you click on the start button, and you browse to the Microsoft SQL Server 2008 folder. Open the SQL Server bits, that is Business Intelligence Development Studio. Once you open that, you will see Visual Studio setup opens, and click on File, New, File, New Project. This will give you an interface where you can choose the kind of project that you want to create, like the integration services project, analysis services, reporting services project. Since we are interested in analysis services project, create an analysis services project, give a project name. I would give this as SSAS. You can save at any specified location, but I'll go with the default location. Click on OK. This takes a moment to create a project. So there it is. The first project is created. So you can see under the Solution Explorer a lot of folders which are currently empty. So we'll go ahead and create data sources, and in later videos I'll show you how to create source views, dimensions, and various other features that are available. So now we have started an SSAS project, and to create a data source view, all you need to do is right click on the data source folder and create a new data source. This will give you a wizard in which you can set up the connections that you want to establish and other details as well. So all I need to do is click on next. I'll delete the current connections. I'll create a new data source connection. I can choose from various providers. I can choose any of this, like I can use a SQL Server, I can use Oracle, or various other sources that are available for creating my data source. So you can see in here we have various .NET providers and OLEDB providers which are available. You can choose from any of these. For now I'll be using a SQL Server native client, and I have instance, SQL instance, which is installed on my machine. It's an Express Edition instance, so I have chosen that, and I'll choose AdventureWorks Data Warehouse because that's the simplest data warehouse which we have and which is easier for us to understand. So I'll be choosing Data Warehouse 2008 test connection. Okay, click on OK. Alright, next. And you can use any of these authentication. If you have a Windows username and password, you can use that. or else I usually go with the, since there's a normal I mean there's my personal machine, I'll go with a service account. Next, this is your connection string. It states my database is AdventureWorks Data Warehouse 2008. My instances, or as my data server is SQL Express, which is on my personal machine. I've put that with a dot and then finish. Right. You can see a new data source is created here. You can rename this data source if you want to. I'll say AdventureWorks, or else SSAS hyphen AdventureWorks. That should do. Alright, you can see the connections. If you want to edit the connection, you can edit it. And impersonation information is my service account. Okay. Alright, that's for creating the data source and the project. It's a simple task. In the later videos, I'll be explaining to you about data source views and other things. So keep in touch. Thank you. Have a great day.